mas malakas pa kumain. Happy birthday. Mas malakas yung kasama palakpakan pa dyan.
Happy birthday to you.
Sabay-sabay kumain.
Happy birthday to you.
Yung mas malakas kiss.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
Okay, one more. Happy birthday.
to you.
Sabay-sabay.
Happy birthday to you.
Yung mas malakas. Alright, ay sabay-sabay naman tayo sumigaw. Sabihin nyo nga, happy birthday, Digong!
Happy birthday, Digo.
Isa pa yung pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Digo.
Isa pa yung pinakamalakas nyo na! Isa pa yung pinakamahina! Ang laki ng bunganga! Ayan. Okay, this time, guys, palakpakan nyo naman, Mommy and Daddy, together with Digong. Okay, this time, Mommy and Daddy, maraming salamat po. Mamaya tawagin ulit namin kayo, Mommy and Daddy.